Take a ride in the 2017 Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, lane departure warning, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, bucket seats, power door locks, CD player, MP3 player. This vehicle is CARFAX certified one owner and qualifies for CARFAX buyback guarantee. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.